How to change your Instagram name or username. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your Instagram name or username. Now the process is quite simple and quite easy. All you have to do is open the Instagram app and you'll get an interface like this, as you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to, however, first head into your profile. Now to head into your profile, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. You can see the profile icon. Simply tap on it here and you'll get your profile here. Now on your profile, what you want to do is tap on the edit profile option that you can see on the screen. You can see edit profile there below your profile. Simply tap on edit profile and you can see two different options at the top. You can see name, and the second one you can see username. Now if you want to change your name, or if you want to change your display name, you can simply change it from here by tapping on change name here. However, you can see you can only change your name twice within 14 days. So once you change your name, you'll have to wait for 14 days again to be able to change your name. Now the other thing is your username. Now you'll be able to change your username back to your previous username. Now once you change it, you'll be able to switch it back for another 14 days, and after that you won't be able to switch it back. However, you'll have to wait certain days to be able to change it again. So you can simply erase this previous username and you can type in your new username, and similarly on name you can simply type in your name and remove your old one and type your name and simply tap on save option that you can see the tick mark at the top right corner of your screen, and your name will be changed. So this way you can change your name on Instagram. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.